In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through some key features in Intuit's QuickBooks Online, specifically focusing on generating a journal report. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or someone new to managing finances, understanding how to effectively use QuickBooks can save you lots of time and effort. So let's dive in and explore the process step by step, making sure you feel confident every step of the way. To start, we're going to visit the chart of accounts in QuickBooks. This serves as your financial foundation, as it lists all the accounts your company uses to record transactions. By organizing your finances, it helps you monitor performance and make informed decisions. Head over to QuickBooks and go to the chart of accounts. This can typically be found in the menu on the left-hand side of your home screen. Next, once you're in the chart of accounts, your goal is to access the Reports section. Reports in QuickBooks are extremely useful as they allow you to extract and analyze financial data. So find and click on the Reports tab, usually located near the main navigation pane. This step is critical for moving to the next phase of generating your journal report. Now, with the Reports section open, what you're going to want to do next is locate Standard Reports. This setting offers a variety of essential reports that aid in reviewing various aspects of your business performance, financial health, and transactions over time. Click on Standard Reports, which will take you to a comprehensive list tailored for meeting different financial requirements. In the Standard Reports section, filter through the options until you find the tab labeled For My Accountant. This area is designed with accounting professionals in mind, offering specialized reports that align with accounting practices and needs. Clicking on For My Accountant will bring you to specific reports relevant to accounting, simplifying how you can share and analyze the financial data with your accountant or financial team. Finally, from the list, locate and select Journal. The journal report is particularly important as it captures all transaction details like a general ledger. This report is invaluable when you need to audit, manage entries, or check specific transactions. By clicking on Journal, QuickBooks will generate a detailed report displaying all your journal entries, which you can then review, print, or export as needed. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to generate a journal report in QuickBooks Online. Each step is designed to make the process smooth and intuitive. Remember, having these reports at your fingertips empowers you to maintain accurate records, present a clear financial picture, and make more informed financial decisions for your business. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll be navigating QuickBooks like a pro in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy accounting!